Is up, guys? Tonight, we are going to be unpacking these 5 TCG booster packs. I got a metal lunchbox tin, like one of those sun and moon tins, like those big lunch pails, like a pail. But I got one of those, and here are 5 TCG booster packs. So we're gonna start with one. Here is the Lunala GX, the Lunala one. So we get Stuffle, Poplio, Zubat, Shelter. What is that? Young Goose, Cutie Fly. Oh, that guy's cool. I don't know his name, but something can tell me. A Steel Energy, Panjasma Magiga, and Rotom Dex. He's a common or an uncommon. This guy. I don't know him, but he's just cool. He's cool. But there we go with the first booster pack. Next booster pack, we are doing Fates Collide. Those flew out. Oh, jeez. So we got, those are upside down. Jeez. It's because when I unwrapped them, they flew out at me. So we got Solosis, Cinvy, Meowth, Gothita, Jigglypuff, Fossil Excavation Kit, Lucario, Random Receiver. Livy, go away. Random Receiver, Audino Spirit Link, Wigglytuff. So there are our first 2 booster packs. Really? My dad's got better cards than I do.
GX and Mega Steel.
Did you get the Rainbow Tauros?
No.
So our next booster pack, Steam Siege. Oh, this one's hard. Livy, your foot's in the camera. Jeez. Oh, this was hard. Hold on. I got me pocket knife.
Probably not as hard as you're making it. Open it like a bag of chips.
I tried to. Oh, this is harder. Okay, we're just gonna put. All right, let's do a different TCG. Let's do this one. Is this? That's the same one.
Here, hand it to me. I'll open it while you're doing that one.
Okay. Oh.
Hand it, not throw it.
Really? You opened it like a bag of chips. Oh, this one's open. Here we are with Bergamite. With Bergamite, Fungus, Mankey,
Pretty sure I already have a Mega Steelix.
Shellis, Dino, Volcania, Klinkang, what is that? Nidorino, Steelix, Spirit Link, and a Rapidash.
Mama.
No.
Very confident that you can't see anything on that screen.
I can. Give me that. Okay, okay, you can have that. You can have trash.
Daddy. Hello.
Did I get anything good in this?
We'll wait and see.
Then don't you touch it.
Angle it so the light is not right in the screen. It'll work better.
Well, now I can't see my face. Libby!
You gotta angle it right.
Go away. You can't have these. These are mine.
Come on, Liz Lou. Let's go out of here.
So we get Yanima.
Come on, you you.
Yanima.
Hey, good job. Throw it away.
Marill. A Sneasel. Litleo. Nidoran. And a Hoppip. And here's the code card. Here we are with the final TCG booster pack, which is Sun and Moon. Fomantis. Grimer, Alolan Grimer. Togedemaru. Stuffle. Whatever that guy is. Arcanine. Bruckish. Fighting Energy. Aqua Balagi Jackalbash. Whatever he was. XP share. And the final card. 3, 2, 1. And we get Spinda. I got nothing good. And my dad got like 300 GX cards. But yeah, that is my TCG opening booster pack video. If you guys enjoyed and you want to see me do more of these videos, please like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I will. Thanks for watching. Peace out.